Hello everyone, welcome to Kitty's Kitchen. Today we're going to make soy vinegar dipping sauce. This is a good all-purpose sauce for any kind of meat that you're making. So what I have here today is I have some soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, some chives. I also have some spicy chili sauce or Sambal, if that's how you pronounce it. So let's get started. I have in here, in my little bowl, I have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Now, depending on what kind of soy sauce you use, there's several different brands there that you could use. So use whatever you like. Some of them are stronger than others. So if you use a 1/4 cup of soy sauce for some brands, you might want to add a little water because it's a bit more concentrated than some other brands. So I've added a 1/4 cup of vinegar to my 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Actually, it's soy sauce, not soya sauce. But for some reason, I always say that. But it's soy sauce. Now, I'm using, if you're like me, I don't always have the fresh ingredients I want on hand when I decide to make a dipping sauce for whatever I'm cooking that day. So I have here, this is minced garlic, which I find works really well in a dish like this. But another thing that you can do, and I don't know if you've ever tried this, you can freeze your peeled garlic, which I have right here, and you can grate it. If you have ever tried that, if you like the taste of fresh garlic. Just going to get that off the bottom there. So that's one thing that you can do if you like the taste of fresh garlic and you don't have fresh garlic on hand. You can buy or peel your own, of course. Buy the garlic and put it in the freezer for using for your sauce. But for our purposes today, I've got the minced dried garlic, and I'm going to put I think I have about a teaspoon in there. And if you like garlic, use lots. If you don't like it, don't use any. So I'll just mix that together. And now, so far, we have vinegar, soy sauce, some garlic. And if you like it spicy, you can always use some Sambal, which I'm going to use today. But again, if your family doesn't like spicy, you can just leave it out. We're going to put a little bit in there. That's, I don't know, about a heaping teaspoon. Shredded ginger is also nice in this, but unfortunately I don't have any on hand today. But it'll be just as good without. And to finish it off, I'm going to put a little green onions on top, just to make it look pretty. And there we are. We have a quick and easy dipping sauce for any meat that you like, or if your family likes dumplings. Thank you for watching today. Hope to see you again.